What's up, YouTube? I just received another package from efforts.com. So it's time to go ahead and do an unboxing. So here's the puzzle. And as you can see, I ordered the gear shift puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Oscar, and then it was mass produced by Efforts. And here it is. It's kind of a unique puzzle because it's not like a typical twisty puzzle where a face turns. Here, I guess kind of like the corners turn, so. Wow, this thing's pretty good. Huh. Okay, there we go. Okay. So the turning of this puzzle is very nice. As you can see, it turns pretty well, and you can just hold two opposite corners and it turns like ridiculously fast. Sometimes it catches. So, and if you know anything about this puzzle, you know that this isn't the only way to turn it. You can also pull these apart, and so let's try that. Here you go. It clicked very well, and now these one side will turn by itself. There we go. And then it just clicks back together, and another side. So I've been reading about this puzzle that some of them have problems clicking out. And so this one, that's all I can seem to pull it right now. I'll try to. Now I'm applying a lot of force, and I can't seem to pull this apart. Oh, there we go. Maybe I was applying too much force. It doesn't seem to stay up. It kind of falls back down. If you can see. Yep, this one clicks, but the other one doesn't seem to click into place. Yeah, if you can see right here, these pieces are hitting off each other. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and play with this puzzle for a little bit, and then come back and do a full review of the puzzle and tell you if I can figure out why it's not clicking all the way into place. But like, my first thoughts, this puzzle is pretty cool. It's definitely a really unique concept. It's different than pretty much every other puzzle in my collection. So this is very cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and play with this puzzle for a little bit, and I will get back to you guys. So I've had the gear shift puzzle for a few days now, and I have to say that I'm very happy with this puzzle. The turning of this puzzle when all of the gears are engaged turns very well, and turns incredibly fast. So 2 out of the 3 axes pull apart very well. The blue and green one pulls apart, and the turning of the puzzle is very good when the axes are pulled apart. And the yellow and orange one also pulls apart and clicks into place and turns very well. However, as you saw in the unboxing, the dark orange and pink side, it pulls apart fine, but it doesn't stay up. And this big gear hits this small gear's tooth. And what I found is that I can just put my finger right here and then turn the puzzle. And the turning this puzzle, when this actually is pulled apart, is still very good. And that's really the only flaw with this puzzle, is that axis doesn't pull apart properly, which is kind of disappointing, but it definitely doesn't affect the overall quality of this puzzle. It's still very fun to solve and fun to turn and play with. So the color scheme is blue opposite green, dark orange opposite pink, and light orange opposite yellow. And this is a little bit different than the Venus puzzle that I did an unboxing of earlier. And another interesting thing, this puzzle is just a little bit bigger than a normal 3x3. It's the same size as the Gear Cube and the Mosaic Cube, which were also designed by Oscar. So I'm really happy with this puzzle. It's really fun to play with, and I would definitely suggest it. It's so much different than every other cube in my collection, and it's interesting because the pieces never change position. All you have to do is make sure they're all oriented properly. But I really like this puzzle. I definitely suggest picking it up. I got it from Methods.com. So this has been my unboxing and review of the Gear Shift puzzle. Thanks for watching.